Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to upgrade this 6.4-inch sharp screen from 2 CCFL to our LSR series LED kits. Okay, this LED kit comes with the LSR, which is part number 57LHS-LED, one LED driver and one 6-pin connector with 2 wires, red and black. And let's set aside the LED screen for, the kit for a second. Take a look at the screen. This is a very small 6.4 old screen. There are 2 lamps, one on top, one on bottoms. Okay, so here's it. This is Sharp's part numbers. Not sure you can see enough, but it's called LQ64D341. Okay, so this is a 2 lamp. Such as a small screen like 6.4 inch, you don't need to replace 2 LED strips. To use 2 LED strips, use 1 is good enough. Let me show you how. So because you're going to leave it the old one, you can either replace the bottom one or top one. Usually I prefer the bottom one. So let's remove the bottom one and show you. Then we could test it. Okay, again, this is a really old screen. Look at this lamp. It's always broken. So basically we just set it aside, and because this one we just tip it over here. That's good enough. So I'm going to show you why. Okay, so let's do it. Just while you make sure the angles, this is about right. So you just peel off. Okay, you just peel off the double side tip here. Okay. Then you just make sure, try to push up all the way against the plexiglass. Okay. Push all the way up. See this? It's done. So this one is very simple. You don't have to do anything. You just cut off the wires, just like that. You don't have to take it out, because when you take it out, that means you have to put something to cover it to save the light from here. So just leave it as is. Do this bottom one. Next section we're going to fire up, see what the result is. Hello, we have just finished upgrade LED. It's kind of piece of kit, very simple. You just remove this back and tip it back and cut off this wire, and then connecting this is easy. You can connect to either one, and you can connect here, and then the red is for 10 to 12 to 24 volt, blacks for ground. But in this case, I'm going to use my controller board, so I make a cable here to test it. And this is 5 volt supply, so I set a 5 volt. So I already hooked it to my generator. This one's supposed to have 640 by 480, so if everything's hooked up, so just connect the powers. Wow, see, just only 1 lamp, our LSR series is. See how bright it is? Thank you for watching.